Yo, what is up? ReelVlogs here, bringing you guys another episode of, yup, you guessed it, Shooting with ReelVlogs. And today I'm with my friend Lindsay. We're gonna do some street photography here in Seattle. Let's cue that intro and let's get started. I want to go over the camera equipment that I'll be using. So the camera body that I'll be using is the A7 III. It's a Sony camera with a camera grip, so it's really good for portraits. You get that nice action. And then the lens that I'll be using, 24 1.4, which is the same lens I used for the video shoot last episode. I think I've been starting to love this lens a lot just because it's really wide. It's a lot, well, it's because I've been so used to using this one. It just changes up the shot so much with the angling, and also the 1.4, you can't go wrong with it. And then moving on to actually the filter. So I just started using this guy for a lot of my shoots now. It's called the Black Pro Mist, and I'm using the 1.4 one. So what this does, it like really gives you like a better roll off from the highlights and like just like the skin tones and stuff. It just cleans it up a little bit more than just like coming straight out of the camera. Let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna start with this location, and then we're gonna see what happens after that. And so let's go. I think. It's like,
such a sick photo. I love
that's
it.
what I love. That's how I do. Just do it for the camera at least, so
Hey,
people like.
Sick photos right over here. This guy. Sick photo.
So one thing that I actually look for every time I'm shooting is leading lines. So it just really helps make the shot look a lot better. Like if you look over here, the leading lines go to like the city. I like putting the model in the center of it, so it just kind of like all leads into her. Say cheese. Alright, so there you have it, guys. A quick little shoot with Lindsay.
We're just hopping around the city, taking some pictures.
And you know, just having a lot of fun. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys liked the photos. So until next time, guys, keep it real.
100.
Never stop grinding.
Look at me like I already said it.
Okay, camera's rolling, take 10.
Keep it real.
100.
Never stop grinding. And
And
peace.